Hey guys, this is Sticks. Welcome back to Out and About. Today I'm over at Disney's California Adventure today, where we got something that's going on here that everybody here is willing to check out, and you really have to see here to really experience it. This is Disney's Lunar New Year celebration, also known as the Chinese New Year celebration. Disney always makes an effort to try to celebrate the holiday for everybody to come down to enjoy and to see for themselves. This year, of course, is dedicated to the Year of the Dog, which in Disney style, they put Pluto everywhere, so they always replace the Disney character with a symbol here. But it's something fun to see this, something fun we have to check out. I've been here many times over the years to see this every year, as Alice as well, and every time we always have a good time. So we want you guys to come and see it for yourselves. So let's go take a look.
The Chinese Lunar New Year is a celebration of the end of the Chinese calendar year, with a new year starting at the first new moon between January 21st and February the 20th. In 2018, that day fell on Friday, February the 16th. It's a day that's celebrated by many Asian cultures, including China, Korea, and Vietnam. And Disney, with all that it has to offer, has turned this event into a colorful extravaganza for all to see. With Mulan and Mushu to lead the celebration, Disney has brought together many musicians, singers, and performers to usher in the new year. And just like before, Alice and I could not resist the urge to come down to see it for ourselves.
Cool, he's all man. Look at him, all decked out. You see him today decked out in the nice red and black, all starry and shadowy. Everybody's the envy of him. See? Wow.
As you might expect, Alice and I have been coming for the past few years to enjoy the festivities. Last year, she had the opportunity to wear a traditional Korean dress called a hanbok, and she got a lot of attention and compliments for it. We even had Amora and Miku in traditional Chinese clothing for this day. Honestly, we had a lot of fun. And one of the many things Disney is known for is their food.
They have a lot of good food here that only Disney can make their own special way. But at the same time, they do what they can to honor the traditional food that's served during this time of year for all the guests to enjoy. They do all kinds of food from Vietnam, from China, and from Korea to cater to everybody's likes and taste. And the food they got here is actually very good. We enjoy it a whole lot.
While we were eating, we were fortunate to be entertained by some talented performers, each group bringing a little of their culture to share with us. And as a treat for all of you watching, I'd like to take a few minutes to share with you a little of what we saw. And I hope you enjoy it as much as we did. For this next performance, because of the surrounding noise around me, I had to remove the audio and clean it up to put it back in. I hope you enjoy it.
So as our day draws to a close, we just wanted to let everybody know that this only happens once a year. Every year it's always different on a different date, but it's always something to check out, and I really think everybody who comes down to see it will really enjoy it and get a kick of what they got here. So if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to them. And like I always tell everybody, I never know where my adventures are going to take me, but hope you guys join me for the ride. See you guys next time. He's so cute.
Sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Did you try to tackle the baby?
Almost out of the